Thank you for stopping by and welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a tour of the Comfort Inn in Niagara Falls, Canada. That's a swim pool there. Some people are in there. And this section of the hotel you can't go through from the front entrance. You have to come around outside. We found this hotel a little bit run down and the parking isn't free. When we came, they charged between $20 to $30 per day. That's that room, 124. This is our room at Comfort Inn in Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. And a mirror, here's the washroom. Well, this is your basic washroom. A little bit dirty. We got the queen size beds instead of the regular double bed, and there's no fridge in the room or microwave. I think this is where the fridge used to be. Oh, this is our view. They got an indoor and outdoor pool. Here's the air conditioner unit. Found in a lot of motels. So we would come back and stay here if the price is right. And don't forget to add the parking fee to the total price of your hotel stay. So I would prefer to stay at the Holiday Inn if I can get both hotels for the same price. Plus at the Holiday Inn, parking is free. And that's my own personal opinion. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. I hope to see you at our next video.